yes, you! Come over here! I'm starving! My belly thinks my throat's been cut! Got any rubbish? Oi! Yes, you! Come over here! I'm starving! My belly thinks my throat's been cut! Got any rubbish?
I haven't had a go yet! I haven't had a go yet! I haven't had a go yet next holiday! See you next year! Bye, see you, Pooh!
Sandra, move.
I
can't wait for you.
Have a nice way!
Okay. Now we are going to approach a possible site for Candy Canyon. We passed through the licorice factory, which I won't actually do so we don't start the music. I did start the music, so anyway, we've gone through here, and as we come out through the door, smelling all this lovely licorice, there's a lawn there. As we set off now around the rest of Fantasyland, past the magic mushroom. Okay. Past the dragon. Just looking very nicely overgrown now. Really in the woods. Past the mushroom with the mice inside. And then we come across the lawn. This patch of land here is called Sutton's. And at the moment it's just used for picnicking on and so on. And Alec de Bell is quite keen that it should be used for an attraction, and that people should not eat their picnics here but should go and buy food in the cafe. He would like to have an attraction here, get rid of these old military vehicles and the shuttle there and the submarine, and behind that tree there's a mission control. If we have an attraction here, it needs to be resistant to the wind, because apparently it's very, very windy here. That wouldn't apply too much if some attraction was in a building, but if it was outside, it should be capable of withstanding severe winds off the sea. Now we're back on the Chine at Sutton's. It's a bit more windy today. And the mist is whipping across the top here. Sea view down there, even though we're into the teeth of the wind. Well, we see the mist whipping up here. Mist in the trees. But the mist is clearing, that's for sure. It's not quite the balmy evening that it was yesterday. This crooked house hasn't had any attention for a long time, and probably wouldn't be terribly involved to make a really nice job of this. There's the sea, slowly clearing. Here we are about to leave and the sun's come out. And the steam is rising from the car park. Brilliant stuff. You'd never achieve that with a smoke machine.